In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Google Calendar ID. To get started, open your web browser and head to google.com. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, especially if you use more than one. You can quickly confirm this by checking the profile icon in the top right corner. Next, click the Google Apps icon, the little 9-dot grid in the top right. From the app list, choose Calendar. If you don't see it right away, scroll through the list or click More to expand the full set of apps. This will open Google Calendar in your browser. Once Calendar loads, look to the top right and click the gear icon to open Settings, then choose Settings from the menu. This takes you to the full settings page where you can manage all calendars tied to your account. On the left sidebar, you'll see a section called Settings for My Calendars. This is where all of your individual calendars are listed. Click the specific calendar you want to work with. If you manage multiple calendars, like a personal one, a team calendar, or a project calendar, double check you're selecting the right one before proceeding. After selecting your calendar, the main panel on the right shows detailed options for that calendar. Scroll down the page until you find the section labeled Integrate Calendar. In this section, you'll see the calendar ID. It often looks like an email address or a long string ending with group.calendar.google.com. Here's a key point. The calendar ID is system generated and can't be edited or changed directly. If you're here to use it for integrations, APIs, or sharing with trusted tools, simply copy it from this section. There's usually a copy icon next to the field to make that quick and accurate. If your goal was to change how your calendar appears to you and collaborators, you can update the calendar's name near the top of the settings page. Just remember, that changes the display name only, not the underlying ID. A couple of tips before you wrap up. Keep your calendar ID private and share it only with services or people you trust, particularly if you're connecting it to third-party tools. If you don't see Integrate Calendar, you may be viewing a read-only or subscribed calendar. Switch to a calendar you own to see its ID. When you're done, you can close the Settings tab and you're all set.